Hello students, now we are going to solve question number 9, exercise 6.4. The question is, there are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? So student, in this question, the total children are 500. PT teacher want to stand to the student in such a manner that the number of rows and number of columns should be equal. So PT teacher need to remove some student because for that arrangement. So how many student he will remove, that you have to find out. So for that means PT teacher wants to stand to student in a square form. Okay, so for that we have to find out the square root of 500. So what is the square root of 500? By division method we will find 500 square root. So here we will make the pair from back side. Here 5 is remain alone. The square number which is approximate near about 5 is 2 2s are 4. So here 2 2s are 4 and 2 plus 2 will also be 4. Here 1 is remain and 00 100. Now student, we have 4. If we are taking suppose 3, so 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. 129, it is bigger number. So definitely 3 we will not take. Then 3 before what comes? 2 comes. So we will take 2. Now, so after taking 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 84. So we will write here 2, 2, 2. Okay. So its product will be 84. And what is the remainder? 10 minus 4 will be 6. 9 minus 8 means 1. 16 is the remainder. And here 44. Okay, 44. So here we can say what is the remainder? 16. 16 is remainder means this 16 remainder we will subtract from 500. Okay. So let's see the proper solution here. First of all, here number of children are given 500. By getting the square root of these number, we get in each row, here we have find the square root, and in square root it is not perfect square number, so we got the remainder 16. Therefore what we will do, we will subtract from 500 16. So what will be remain? 10 minus 6 will be 4 and 9 minus 1 means it will be 8 and this is 484. That means, and this square root of 484, what it will be? It will be 22. Okay. So and 16 children will left out. Okay. So I hope you understood this solution properly. Thank you.